Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL and Apache Server. Xampp includes Apache Server, MySQL and MariaDB database server. Let's get started. In Google, type Xampp download. Go to the first link. I'll click on download Xampp. This will take you to the download window. Download Xampp for Windows. For other operating systems, like for OS X, you can download here. I'm going to download Xampp for Windows, so download. Here there's an option to click if your download does not start automatically. You can click here, but for me my download has already started. My download is complete. I've saved my Xampp executable file on my desktop. Let's install Xampp. Double clicking. Tomcat, so I'll just go to next, and also PHP admin are very important. We're going to use it to navigate to our databases. Click on next. I'll leave it in my say. I'll click on next. I want English for the language. Setup is ready. I'll go to next. Xampp installation has started. The installation process can take a few minutes, so I'm going to fast forward. If there's a pop-up, just click on allow. Setup has finished installing Xampp. The Xampp control panel. There you're going to see this Apache, this MySQL. You need to start your Apache server and MySQL. Once these two have started, where it says actions, you're ready to use Apache server and MySQL to start experimenting, creating SQL queries. Click on admin for MySQL. So this is the user interface for MySQL. So you can create the database by entering the database name, clicking on create here, and then the database will be created. Or you can use a query. You open the query window and enter, like this time, I want to create a database called business _db. You can enter that in the query window. After we created your database, you can even start creating tables. Like in this case, my database I've created is business DB. So I want to create a table for that database. I can write some query products with an ID, and then a product name and the category of the product, and then the brand, can also the description of the product. And here it's auto increment, this primary key, and then the varchar, the number of characters I want for the name, and the category varchar, which is needs 50 characters. The brand also needs 50 characters. Then this text, where you have a text box where you need to type the description. Yeah, so you can create a table like this, and then you can click on go to create the table. As you can see, the table has been created in my table called business DB. You can also create a table by clicking on new, and then be given a field where you can enter the table name, like here the prices. Then you can specify your ID and specify that it's a primary key, and then the values in this field are going to auto increment. Specify auto increment. Then you can include the other fields like product ID, which is a foreign key in this prices table. Then you can also enter the unit price, and which is a decimal. You can also enter other fields like currency. So that's how you can create fields using the interface if you don't want to use the query window. So here we've successfully created prices table and the products table in our database called business DB. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more videos.